How do you end these monopolies and duopolies that you have created? Rahul Gandhi ने कहा कि ये सब कुछ जो हो रहा है monopolies की वजह से हुआ है. How will you respond?
I don't know how much economies he understands around civil aviation, but one thing that we need to clarify here is that this is not a created situation by any kind of government. The fact that we have deregulated the fares, and when have we deregulated the fares? Any idea, Rajdeep ji? 1994 Corporation Act, Air Corporations Act has been removed, repealed, so that the deregulation comes into effect. There are airlines who can enter freely, they can understand the market, and the market dynamics of supply and demand can play its own role. And it is from then the markets have been deregulated, and this is a practice which is followed internationally. And what we are trying to do is encourage more airlines to come into the picture. You say that, do I encourage monopoly or duopoly? Definitely not. Not because this incident has happened now. I've been talking about this for the past 1 year. Look at the demand of civil aviation in the country today. There are 5 lakh people traveling every day by civil aviation, air travel in the country, which is nowhere in the world except for 2 other countries. That is the kind of demand that we have set today. And when you have this kind of demand, we want more players to come in. I have clearly said we need 5 airlines with at least 100 aircrafts each for one airline. And from the government, we are trying to create this kind of situation where we encourage more airlines to come in.
Sir, because figures suggest that domestic air passenger traffic will double in the next 6 years, reaching nearly 300 million by the end of 2030. So, बहुत traffic होगा. How are you going to get those 5 players? Our aviation turbine fuel is among the highest in the world. People do not want to, many of the foreign airlines don't want to even do the refueling in India because their fuel prices are too high. The fact is there are structural issues. किसको leasing दी है, किसको कौन सी route दी है. Indigo got all the preferential routes. इतने सालों से Indigo की somebody was blessing Indigo. Whoever that someone was, whether in your ministry or government of India. Suddenly the chickens have come home to roost and you have realized चलो 5 airline की जरूरत है. इतने सालों से आप क्यों नहीं ला पाए 5 airline? एक के बाद एक इस country में airline बंद हुए हैं. From Jet Airways, airlines should be expanding.
जो airlines है, जो encouragement हम देना चाहते हैं, considering you have touched many points. So it is not a single one-lane approach that if you want to bring in more airlines, this is exactly what we want to do. But our first priority has been the kind of demand that has come in the country, facilitate for that demand through whichever airline is there. And Indigo took it as a business opportunity for them and they expanded. Not that we have restricted other people for coming. Whatever demand has been created through their business plan, they have expanded at that rate. And whereas considering other players also, you should also know that in the last 6 years, we have very small players also which have come in.